Okay guys, so today is Friday and tomorrow I have a traditional wedding to attend. So I thought, why not do a cute little traditional-ish natural protective hairstyle. So this is my second attempt at it because I had technical issues with the first footage. I thought, why not do it again? So I would recommend that if you're gonna be doing this hairstyle, you do it the day before, the night before, just to give the gel enough time. I'm not doing anything like unsolicited. I'm shaking my gel because it's been sitting for a long time. So okay, I'll stop shaking for now. So yes, do it the night before and have a lot of energy. Do not do it towards the end of your night. Do it when you still have a lot of energy and just be prepared. Okay, so what you're gonna need, first things first, I know my eyebrows look a little bit crazy. That's okay. Because I am just tinting them. I'm tinting them with this Maybelline Tattoo Brow Easy Peel Off Tint. And it's in the color warm brown. So for it to last about up to 3 days, you need to leave it on your eyebrows for about 3 hours. So that's going. Let's do the hair in the meantime. So the things that you need to make sure that this hairstyle lasts is, first things first, you need some water. You need some oil for your scalp, okay? You need a lot of gel. I know back in the day people would use like regular styling gel. I'm sure that is still okay, but for today I'm gonna be using Eco Style with the argan oil, and it has a max hold of 10. You're gonna need a comb, and I would say like a medium tooth comb because you want to make sure that the product goes into your hair. You're gonna need some oil sheen spray, a really good brush. This is from Discam. It's pretty tough, and I'm also gonna be using my like a nail brush. This is also a very hard nail brush, so I'm gonna be using this. I got from Pep. Just to help make sure that my hair is gonna be smooth. And hairbands, you're gonna need a lot of hairbands. I've got out my Got2b. So the thing with the Got2b is, like, I used it but it was flaking a little bit. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try it again, but I think I'm gonna add it with the Eco Style. I'm gonna mix it with the Eco Style just to prevent the flaking a little bit, and hopefully that will help. Okay, so to start off with, I'm gonna start off in the center of my hair. My hair's slightly damp because I've just stepped out of the shower. And why you wanna start in the center is because this is gonna act as your anchor. So to make your hair stretch a little bit, okay, I'm just gonna open. I've already based my scalp with the oil. So if you're gonna be wearing this hairstyle for like a few days, make sure you have based your scalp with oil so that your scalp is not dry and it will remain moisturized. So I've got it nice and wet now. Just gonna comb through. So please do not be impatient with this. You have to work section by section. If not, your hairstyle will not last. So I've taken some glue, some gel, and I'm fingering it through this first section. And then I'm gonna comb it through. Please make sure you put the gel through as much as of your hair as possible, or else it will not hold. Okay, now that I got the first section down, I'm gonna take my first hairband and secure my pony. Don't make it too tight or you're gonna get a headache, and that's just so uncomfortable. Okay, I think I'm gonna start off with the back section. So repeat the process of wetting. Okay, this section, I think I'm gonna actually mix some of that got to be, because the back section gets a bit, it's a bit shorter, so it can actually come out of, the flyaways can be more. You want to brush and push your hand through it, just like follow through with your hand. And then we work at the next section. Do not be selfish with your eco style. Be generous. Be super generous. Especially for the parts where your hair is shorter and where your hair is gonna be exposed. Okay, so for this part, I'm just gonna section it like so. Get this out of the way. Because you don't want any bumps. You don't want any bumps and lumps. You want your hair to be laid. Woo! I made it too tight. You want your hair to be laid down flat, like super flat. All right, there we go. Get it wet, guys. Like, don't be shy. Do not be shy. At the front part, I'm gonna put a little bit of the got to be, simply because I need to make sure that this part of my hair behaves the whole weekend. I need this hairstyle to last me until at least Monday. Okay, you already know. Hey, spray some water, then comb out the knots. Put in gel through every hair strand. Brush it through just to make sure. Flatten it out and follow through. Bopper it up. Guys, I swear in real life I'm not this dramatic. I'm worse. So I'm just gonna get it wet one while I'm waiting, and then brush it. I'm actually gonna put some eco style on my hands and flatten my hair even more. Down. So this is what it looks like for now. This is the back. All right. Okay, now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take, now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take the oil sheen and you gonna put, yes what, put.
You must really put. You must not be scared. If you want your photos to be beautiful like mine, you must put. You must not be stingy.
Guys, you must put. You must put. This stuff makes your hair shine, and when you take off the doogoo, when you take off the doogoo in the morning, the doogoo will just slide away. Slide away. Again, slide away. Because you don't want the doogoo to pick up the gel and lift your hair. So that's why you put a lot of the oil sheen, because that's what helps it lift. Also, you don't want your hair to be all dry and look nasty. So this is why. Okay, so now that that's done, you need to wrap up your hair. Trust me when I say use a silk or satin type of doogoo. Do not use a cotton doogoo. Why? I don't know. The person that I followed this tutorial from said so. Okay, so we are not going to use a cotton doogoo. No man, but honestly, like if you think about it scientifically, wearing a satin doogoo means it's gonna come off nice and easy. Nice and easy now, right? So that at least the edges and everything will lay flat. There is nothing flattering about this part of the process. Nothing. Okay, to make sure, because I am wild when I sleep. I am disgustingly active when I sleep. I don't know why. I don't know if I'm the only one. Comment down below if you are a starfish in your sleep. But I am gonna use this wig cap that was big for my head, just to secure. Actually, wig cap, I'm gonna use a wig cap that actually fits my head but is not uncomfortable. And then lastly, my bow nay. See you in the morning. Hey guys, and welcome to the morning. I have slept. Hey, so I do have some flyaways which I am a little bit annoyed with, but that's okay. I'm just gonna push them down with some eco style, and ooh, my children will not stay down. So that's them down. I really hope they will stay down. PS, my eye is tearing, hence that little goodie bag. All right, so now I've got some of my flyaways down, which I'm okay with, kind of okay of having them. Now we're gonna take, I'm gonna take my hairpiece. This is Rasta Bulk, and another hairband, Story of Our Lives. And we're basically gonna string, like try and secure this. So keep a little bit of the hair out, and with the band here, you're basically going to like hold it in the middle and pull it and pull it like over. I don't even know how to explain it, but basically like not do this with the band. Here's the band here, and on the one side you're gonna pull and loop it under the other side. So you've got two sides here, and basically string. So you're gonna pull the one side under the other side and tug. So you should have something like this, all right? And a very nice long ponytail. And so what I'm gonna do is I'm going to attach this part onto my hair, and I'm gonna take this part here and just secure it around the bun. So now you've got this piece left over here, and I'm just going to separate it into two and do a very loose, not loose, but like a twist. Give it a twist. Give it a twist. If you hear manufacturing sounds, construction sounds, I'm really sorry. We have a burst pipe in our complex. Okay, once you've twisted it to the bottom, then you start making your bun around the center piece that you've already created. I'm gonna spray some oil sheen. Lay it flat with my hands. Guys, and that is the hairstyle. From the back, from the sides, from the front. Like this tutorial, please give it a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below on what you think. Please leave a comment down below on how I can keep my flyaways down. I think I should try an edge control. Yeah, let me know what you think, and thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and tell your friends to subscribe. I mean, if you like me, they should, right? Yeah. Bye, guys.